Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. A couple months ago, 303 released their new Graphene Nano Spray Coating. I've been testing it out for the last month or two, and now that I have some experience with the product, I thought it would be a good time to do a video and share some thoughts with you all. Now I haven't found this product in any brick and mortar stores yet, but it is available on Amazon and from most online detailing suppliers for anywhere between $18 and $20. I've already prepped the surface here, so we're going to jump right into the application. The first thing you want to do is give the product a good shake. I'm then going to apply a couple sprays to a microfiber applicator. Now one thing I learned is that a little product will go a long way, so you really only need 1 to 2 sprays per panel. I'm then going to apply the product in a side-to-side, up and down, crosshatch pattern to ensure we get even coverage on the panel. After applying, the directions on the bottle indicate that the product will need some time to cure, and it should not be removed until a white haze appears on the panel. In my experience, I didn't see much of a white haze, but the product did seem ready to remove after anywhere from 3 to 5 minutes. As I bring you in for a closer look, you can get an idea of what I was talking about with the hazing. So, I failed to hit record when I was removing the coating from the hood, but other than the product being a bit tacky, the removal process is fairly straightforward. Otherwise, you'll notice some staining on the towel. I've seen a lot of people ask about discoloring the paint, but there's nothing to worry about there. At the applied thickness, graphene is completely transparent. Now a couple interesting things about 303's Graphene Nano Spray Coating. 303 claims that this product will provide up to 12 months of durability. We've had it on this RAV4 for about a month and a half now, and it's still holding strong. This product can also be applied to just about any surface. 303 advertises that it can be used on paint, chrome, wheels, trim, glass, and for those with wrap cars, it can be used on vinyl as well. If you want to hear about how this product holds up through the New York winter, leave a comment below and let me know. By now, I think you've gotten the idea of how to apply 303's Graphene Nano Spray Coating. Rather than force you to sit through the rest of the application, I think it's best to cut the video here and fast forward so I can show you the end result. So what I'm showing you here is from the morning after applying. Overall, I think the car looks great. The product gave the paint some really nice gloss and color depth. My only complaint so far has been with how difficult this product was to remove. Otherwise, I'm definitely looking forward to seeing how the coating holds up through the New York winters. I will also say that I did pay for this product myself, so everything you hear in this video is my own honest opinion. Now if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Also, if you're not subscribed yet, please consider it. My uploads have slowed down a little bit due to work and school, but I've got a lot more content planned and I'm going to continue uploading new videos as soon as possible. If you have anything you'd like to see, leave a comment below and let me know. So until next time, this is Ryan with Allison Detailing. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.